Hello and welcome to another episode of JDB Moto. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be resetting the service light on our BMW 1250 GSA. It's going to be the same process if you have a GS or if you happen to have the older generation, the 1200 GSA 2014 today. So what you're going to need for this job is, if you don't already have it, it's going to be OBD Link LX. I'm going to put a link in the description. You're going to need an Android device where you're going to be able to download the Motoscan. And lastly, what you're going to need is going to be a T20 torque spit, because we have to access this side panel here where the OBD2 resides. Let's go ahead and remove the side panel. Your OBD2 is going to be right over here. So once you have it off the clip, it's going to have this cap at the bottom, which is basically keeping your OBD connection clean. So there's going to be these two tabs over here. You're going to press, and there it is. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead and connect your OBD. So just look on the inside. You want to make sure that it basically matches, so we know that this is the way that it's going to go. If you see, the shape is not going to be the same if you try to do it this way. So go ahead and put it this way. And you're going to be able to see that your light for power is on, and this is going to be the Bluetooth connectivity to your application. We are showing that our service was due on 5/31/23, and we still have 868 miles before the service is due. So let's go ahead and log into our Motoscan application. As we can see, we're on the application. We're working with the R series K51. So let's go ahead and go to the R series. Let's go ahead and go to our cluster, which is going to be the K51. This is going to be the one for the BMW that we're working on today. As you can see, it has the battery voltage. I went ahead and connected the battery to the battery tender so we don't potentially drain the battery. So let's go to the K51. Here, we're going to go into Instrument Cluster, Combi. From there, it already logged in, so it's easier to do. Let's go ahead and do a service reset. So from there, you're going to be able to see on the application that is going to show us. The one thing that I dislike is going to be that it doesn't show you that you're not able to change the mileage from kilometers to miles, but it shows you right there that the next service is due 5/31/23, and the 860 miles is going to be basically 1,398 kilometers. So what we're going to do is we are going to be servicing the motorcycle. So the way BMW does it, you do 10,000 miles. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do mileage. This does it in kilometers, so it's going to be either 10,000 kilometers, so which is going to be 6,000 miles. So it does it either 1 year of service or when you reach those 10,000 kilometers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do a reset here. You're able to see that it's going to show you that we have 6,213 miles to the due date, and let's go ahead and now reset our service date as well. So right there, you can see that our due date and our remaining distance has changed. If you want to get more granular, you're able just to go in the computer. I mean, let's do it here real quick. Let's say we want to do, so it's going to be 9,000, let's see, it's 9,900 kilometers. So that will be, so if you want to get a little bit closer, let's go ahead and do 9,700 kilometers there. So we have 6,027 miles. Now let's go back to the main menu. Let's go back little by little. You're going to see that our service is completely off. You saw how before we used to have right over here the service light along with over there. So basically there's nothing else to do here. We have reset our service light. And we don't have to worry about doing any type of dealer visit unless it's something that you have to do for maintenance-wise, because everything has been reset till next year, so 2/18/25 or 6,027 miles. So guys, if you enjoy this content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on my next video.